Beta ji, today we will start variations. There are two types of variations. Number one is direct. Directly proportional. Number second is inversely proportional. Today we will discuss direct proportion. Or direct variation. Beta ji, what's the meaning of variation?
Sure, like I think it means like how far an object can go and how much less it can go and how much is it value.
Variation means change. Okay. Variations mean change.
Change.
Change. As you can observe that the sunlight varies with the passage of time. In the early in the morning,
Yes.
the sunlight is low, then sun shines brightly at noon, then light decreases with the passage of time. What is the second thing? One is light. What is the second thing which changes?
Heat.
The second thing is जिसके थ्रू हम मेजर करते हैं वो टाइम है कि with the passage of time the light changes, the light varies. Okay, when we measure change,
Yes.
when we measure change, हमेशा जब हम चेंज को मेजर करते हैं वी हमेशा हम दो वेरिएबल्स को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. वी ऑब्जर्व टू वेरिएबल्स. ओके, change is
Yes,
always
sir.
measured with is connected with two variables. Your height increases with respect to
Health.
age. Height increases with respect to age.
Age.
एज के हिसाब से हाइट इंक्रीज होती है ना. जैसे जैसे आपकी एज ज्यादा होती
Yes.
जाती है हाइट इंक्रीज होती जाती है. इफ देर आर more people in the house, then the expenditure will be
Wider and bigger.
more. Expenditure ज्यादा हो जाएंगे.
More.
If there are, अगर आपके घर में से दो बंदे चले जाते हैं तो एक्सपेंडिचर्स क्या होंगे?
Less.
कम हो जाएंगे. वेरी गुड. If we decrease one quantity and other quantity also
will also
decreases.
decrease. Oh,
Then this type of variation
is called directly proportional.
is called direct proportion. And if one quantity increases and the other also increases, then this type of variation is also known as direct
Direct
proportion.
proportion.
Direct proportion. Now, if we will increase the speed, what about the distance? The distance will increase or distance will decrease? In 1 hour, in 1 hour, हम क्या करते हैं, 1 घंटे के अंदर डिस्टेंस को नोट करते हैं. If we will increase the distance, then we will cover more distance or less distance. अच्छा अनाया बेटा, if we will increase the speed, what about the distance? Distance will increase or decrease?
The distance will increase.
Yes, in 1 hour, if we are moving with a speed of 30 meter per second, the amount of distance covered will be smaller when we will increase the speed from 30 to 40. If we will increase the speed, the distance will also increase. If we will decrease the speed, the distance will also decrease. So there is a
Decrease.
direct proportion between the distance and the speed. Or and how can we write this one mathematically? Distance is directly proportional to.
Speed.
Mhm. Now, mathematically, we will write distance proportional. This one is a sign of proportionality to speed.
Yes.
And if we want to convert this one into an equation, then we will write T is equal to Ks.
KS.
Now, we will attempt question number 3 from the exercise 1A. Question number 3. X is directly proportional to Y. First of all, we will write down the relationship between X and Y. X is directly proportional to Y. X, proportionality sign, is
Proportionality.
directly
And
proportional
Y.
to Y. Now, how can I convert this one into an equation?
When X is equal to KY.
Yes, very good. X is equal to Ky. Now, it is given that in the question, X is equal to 4.5 when Y is equal to 3. We will put these two values
Put
into
the
the equation
values.
to get the value of K. X is equal to 4.5 and
Y
Y
is
is
equal
equal to 3.
to 3.
K is equal to
4.5 multiplied by 3.
no,
Divided by
no,
3.
divided by 3. The answer is 1.5. So the
1.5.
connecting equation is X is equal to 1.5 into Y.
Yes.
This step is very important. After finding the value of the constant, we will write down the equation of the
Hmm.
connecting relationship.
Okay.
Now, part number one is an equation connecting
An
x and y.
equation connecting.
We have already the equation connecting x and y.
So it will be x proportionality sign and then y.
No, no, no. Equation. This one is not an equation. Can you see an equal sign between the two variables?
No.
So this one is not an equation. Can you see an equation sign between the two variables?
Yes.
This one is an equation. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Now we have to find the value of 6.
x when y is
Of
equal to 6.
6. So it will be x is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 6.
Very good. X is equal to 9. Now the
9.
part 3
Yes.
is the value
Find
of
the
y
value
when
of
x is equal
y.
to 12.
So it will be 12. Uh, 12 is equal to 1.5 y. 12 divided by 1.5 is equal to y.
And y is equal to,
So y is equal to 8.
yes. This one is all about this question. Now I will attempt question number 8. Question number 8 is, if b is directly proportional to a, the connecting equation is b is equal to ka. B is equal to 3 and a is equal to 18.
And is equal to 18.
18. K is equal to 3 over 18. K is equal to 1 by 6. Now the connecting equation is B is equal to 1 over 6A. This one is the most important step to write down the connecting relationship after finding the value of A.
Okay.
Now question next one is find the value of B
When a is
when
equal
A
to
is equal to
24.
24.
The 6, 24.
B is equal to 4 is the answer.
4.
Now question number 9. For each of the following, y is directly proportional to x. Now look at the table. Is there any
Yes.
column in which both x and y are given?
24 and 6.
Yes, x is 24 and y
And
is
y
6.
is 6.
K is equal to 1 over 4.
1
Now
by
the
4.
most important step is to write the connecting relationship
Y is
after
equal
putting
to
the
1
value
by
of
4x.
k. Now we want to find out all these values.
So then we will just do it same like x is equal to 4 when y is has no value. 1 by 4
1,
multiplied by 4. 1.
1. Now we will put x is equal to 20,
25.
5. Now we
Y
will
is
put
equal,
y is equal
y
to
is equal
9,
to the 9.
x is equal to 36.
3, 6.
Now we will put
Y is equal to 11. x is equal to 44.
Yes, x is equal to 44. Now you are supposed to attempt 14 questions of this exercise. Okay. This exercise
Okay.
is easy. You can attempt 14 questions easily. After checking your 14 questions, you will attempt the next two questions. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.